YouTube, back with another for your mother. So today I am going to do an unboxing again. My madre, I always say my madre, I want to speak Spanish so bad, but my mom ordered some cookies for me to try, and yeah, so let's jump into it because you guys know that I'm a chatty Cathy, so I will talk longer than I need to. So this is the box, okay, and this is coming from Pompano Beach, Florida, and Tiffany Turner, and the cookies are called Not Your Average Cookie. I blocked out my mom's address and her address. She got them sent to her place. Can you guys see that? You guys can't see that. Is it focusing? I need it. It's called Not Your Average Cookie. And yeah. Let's jump right into it. So I got my handy dandy scissors. And I am going to see what's going on here. Try to anyway. Ugh. The struggle is real, you guys. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. She got this signed, sealed, delivered. Okay? Okay, Tiffany. Thank you. A knife probably would be better, but making some leeway, making some headway. Okay, that side open. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna come back, guys, whenever I get this box open because I'll take up 10 minutes just trying to open the box. I will be right back. Okay, so I got the box open. There's this cute little monkey or whatever that is. Is that a monkey? Monkey on a fish inside. She packaged it. All of these little. Okay, I'm not gonna do that all the time. There's also paper in here. Okay, you guys, let's get into the cookies. I'm so glad my mom did not order chocolate, anything, chocolate chip, chocolate fudge, because she knows that I do not eat chocolate. I already discussed that in the previous video. I do not eat chocolate. I just noticed I don't have any earrings on. No wonder I feel naked, besides my cold shoulder getting out. But anyway, so there are 2 packages in here of cookies. Let's get rid of this box. Maybe I'll use this to hold this up. Yeah. Okay. These are what the cookies look like. They are butterflies. Butterflies are so pretty in real life. Like, I'm scared of like insects, spiders, mosquitoes, wasps, and moths a little bit, but butterflies are just so beautiful to me. So anyway, she has it bubble wrapped. Let's jump into this. Let's see. And I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm struggling, you guys. Goodness. I need to read a manual. Unwrapping for dummies. Oh, they're glittery. So they're wrapped individually, you guys. So here's one. Hopefully the glitter is showing up on camera. It has little glitter specks. The back. Here's a purple one. And oh, this one's a little cracked, but that's to be expected. And then here's another color. Let me show you guys 3 colors. 3 different colors. Pretty, pretty. So in each package you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6. I'm no mathematician, but I'm pretty sure that's 12. Drop down in the comments and correct me if I'm wrong. But okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and open up the one that is cracked. I mean, this packaging is superb. Girl, Tiffany, did you make these? Because the little wrapping says Prime and it says Whole Foods. Let me find out you got these from Whole Foods and you claiming them, Tiffany. Did you make these, Tiffany? Somebody shout out Tiffany and answer if you really make these. Like, the packaging is superb. I love cookies like this too, guys. This reminds me of like eating pork cookies. Okay. Sorry, I have to get a full taste. Sorry, no. Tiffany, come here, girl. Come here for a second. Girl, now I don't know if you baked these yourself from scratch, rolled the dough, put them in the oven, iced them. But, ma'am, these are delicious. These are delicious. I was thinking about maybe taking some of them to work, but I don't know. I might not do that. I might just eat these all for myself. I'm not even going to share with my son. So, let me give you some ratings. When it comes to delivery, you know, as far as the time frame reference, I can't give you anything on that because I'm not exactly sure where my mom ordered the cookies. So I don't know what the time frame is. But since the cookies are so good and the packaging is so good, okay, let me not jump ahead. I'm going to just leave that as non-applicable because, again, I didn't order the cookies. So I'm not sure how the delivery is, you guys. If you guys want to order your cookies, then maybe you can give me a little bit more insight on that. As far as the actual packaging itself, I greatly, greatly appreciate all of the bubble wrap and all of the paper and all of these little that I popped to make sure, you know, that the cookies are not crushed when they get here. And so far, I didn't open all of it. It looks like only 1 out of 12 is cracked. So, I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, I could open the other one, but for what I'm pretty sure there's only 1. So I will definitely give you a 5 because my scale is 1 to 5. I'll give you a 5 out of packaging and protection and making sure the goods and the products arrive, you know, safely and securely. As far as the presentation of the actual cookies, I love that they are individually wrapped. That is so dope. So that way, if you don't, you know, because cookies and cupcakes and cakes and things like that get stale really fast. But if you have it individually packaged, you don't have to worry about, you know, rushing to eat things. Even though, listen, I can eat this whole 12 pack in one setting because I love cupcakes, cookies, donuts. That's my judge. I don't really like candy, but cupcakes, cookies, donuts, yes, that's my thing. So I can really eat these. But I love that it's individually packaged. I love the actual detail of the cookies. Like, you actually put some thought into it. I mean, a little swirl. I talk about it all the time, guys, how I am not a baker at all. I can cook, I can clean, you know what I mean? But when it comes to baking, epic fail every time. My cakes are getting a little bit better, but epic fail when it comes to the cookies. Like, I'm the girl that can't even bake the cookies that you pop off and put in the oven. They just don't turn out right. So I love the detail, I love the butterflies, I love the shapes. Yeah, and then the taste is still, I mean, I'm assuming because they're individually packaged, that's why, but the taste is really, really fresh. You know, like, it's not too hard. Like, these are obviously cookies that's not going to be soft per se, but they're fresh. They're not hard and breaking my teeth. And let me take another bite so I can show you guys so you can believe. Do you see how easily that breaks? Look at that. I don't have to go. So the freshness is there. You get another 5 for that. Overall, I give you a 5. Matter of fact, if you add that up, how many categories did I say? What is that? You get a 10, a 15. So again, I'm going to look at her name, give her a shout. Her name is Tiffany Turner, and it is Not Your Average Cookie is what her brand is. Again, that is Tiffany Turner and Not Your Average Cookie. So yeah, I would say, you know, if you're in the Pompano Beach, Florida area, give her a shout, or just give her, I mean, she got it shipped all the way here to Pittsburgh, so I will have to get her information, and I will try to link it in the description box below, because I did not order the cookies, so I'm not familiar with exactly, you know, how her ordering process goes. I don't know if she's an Instagram-based baker or if she's a fake book. Yes, I said fake book. Or if she's a fake book-based baker, or I'm not even sure how my mom linked with her. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing / review / my opinion, because my opinion always matters on my page. But be sure to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did not care for it. Comment down below. Share it with your friends, your family, those you know, those you do not know. Listen, all is welcome. All is welcome here. You're liable to get anything on my page except makeup, beauty. That's not my judge. And be sure to subscribe on your way out. And until next time, bye. But thank you again so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, you comment, most definitely subscribe, and share. Until next time.